Living with Nastasha. I would just like to share my potato harvest with everybody. As I can see, my potatoes are starting to show here. So yeah, this is my first harvest in a while. So let's see what's going on here. It's all coming out beautifully. They're beautiful potatoes. Some small ones here. I'll replant all the smaller potatoes that didn't grow to their full potential. And as you can see, this potato is the one it literally grew from. So yeah, let's see if there's any more. I guess it seems like that is it. That's why you should always have or should always plant potatoes on a monthly, that you always have a nice harvest to work from. Okay, so this is done. We've got some beautiful potatoes from it. Just want to show you. So that's harvest number 1. Okay, so let's see what's happening here. If we've got any babies waiting for us. Oh, I can feel them. Oh, lovely. What we have here. Oh, there we go. Some babies. This is better than a lucky packet. I think that is it. It's a little baby, but let's leave it in there. It's always potential for another potato plant. Oh, look at this bean hanging here. There's a couple on here. Alright. So today was a potato harvest.